Hi everyone, welcome to Module 9. This week we're going to have our main focus on really looking at defining the challenging behavior. In Module 8, you worked on functions of the behavior and you did a 1 through 5 social skill set. I had also asked you to have a focused child for maybe a child that maybe had that hot pushing button behavior that you had talked about at the beginning of the semester, or maybe it was a child that you want to know a little bit more about some of the behaviors that are going on and maybe what's causing them. So this week we're going to be starting a longer term project that we're going to be working on for the next few weeks of really zoning in of what's causing these behaviors and maybe when they're occurring and what we can do about them. So you're going to begin, you're going to be printing out forms that look like this. And this week we're only going to be focusing on part 1, and there is an explanation about it, but you're really going to be looking at defining the challenging behavior. And we're going to be specific with that. Looking at who, what, when, where, and how often. So when you create your statement, and you're going to read more about it, but when you create this statement, it needs to be very specific. It can't say, you know, a group of children fight with each other in the block area. It needs to be specific. Who, you know, what is going on, where is it occurring, who is it occurring with, what is going on. So you're really going to be focusing on just defining that challenging behavior and creating a sentence for it. And what I want you to do is, there's a couple different parts to this. By Thursday, you're going to write your initial statement, your initial definition, if you will, answering again that who, what, when, where, and how often. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I want you to go in and read each other's and offer feedback to each other. Maybe it's not specific enough. Ask questions. Really zoning in so that come Monday, you can go back in and look at yours, look at all the feedback that classmates gave you, and rewrite your defining challenging behavior and have a specific sentence. So there's different things that you're going to do. So Thursday by 9 p.m. is part 1 of your initial sentence, your initial definition. Then go into each other's, and I'm going to be looking to make sure that you're going into each other's because there is a grade for that, and you're offering feedback on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then Monday, I should see another definition written, and this is going to be done in the discussion board. So I should see more written. Then we're going to take all of that, and we're going to be paying off of it in Module 10. So that's kind of the big thing that we're working on this week, because I really want you to be specific and really think about when these behaviors are occurring, who they're occurring with, where are they occurring, how often. You know, is it just every Monday? Is it every day at 9 o'clock at the table? You know, so specific. The more specific you are, the better, and that it's going to help you in the end with this activity. Then the other thing that's due this week, you only have one other thing, is your visual strategy. Long-term assignment is due. I had changed that, so that's going to be handed in not in the assignments tab, but rather it's going to be handed in the discussion tab that I put in the module, because you need to have access to each other's for your toolbox. Because heads up, Tier 2 is going to be due in Module 10. So be looking at each other's visual strategies because you need to include 5 of your classmates for Tier 2. So that is in the discussion board, so again, that you can access that with each other. So those are your 2 big assignments. Really, your visual strategy you should have been working on anyway. So now it's just time to post that. And step 1, part 1 of defining the challenging behavior right here. Don't worry about the 5 points. That's at the end when we put it all together. This actual project for this week is 55 points because there's points for you giving your initial statement, giving feedback to each other, and then posting your new statement. So pay attention to those deadlines of Thursday by 9 p.m. and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday I should see another one by 9 p.m. as well. So have a great week. As always, if you have any questions, just send me a message. Have a great week, everyone. Thanks.